Good morning everyone. I am Manju Singh and today again I have come with another video of class 10th geography. Today I am going to start a new chapter and that is chapter number 6. And the name of the chapter is Manufacturing Industries. In this video we will discuss two topics and they are what is manufacturing and what are the importance of manufacturing industries. See, manufacturing industries means industries where goods are manufactured, means made. Industries come under secondary sector, and agriculture, which we have already studied, that chapter was of primary sector, and chapter number 7, which is lifelines of Indian economy, that chapter is of tertiary sector. Means we'll discuss 3 chapters, we'll study 3 chapters. First one we had already studied, that is agriculture. Second is industries, and third one is roadways, airlines, airways, etc. Now we'll start with it. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing means production of goods in large quantity. And if we are producing goods in large quantity, that means we'll have to use machine, because hand labor is not enough for manufacturing goods in large amount. And how do we manufacture? What is used? We use raw material. See, raw materials are taken from the primary sector, means agriculture, mining, etc. And those raw materials are used in industries to make finished goods. Means the raw materials were little cheaper than the finished goods. Now the finished goods which the industries have made, those goods have become dearer than the raw materials. For example, we take raw material from agriculture for making sugar, and which raw material is used there? Sugarcane. Then cotton cloth is made from cotton, paper from wood, and many more things. Now, the countries which are fully industrialized, जिसके पास बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज है, जिनका जीडीपी इंडस्ट्री से बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, those countries are developed nations, developed countries like UK, USA, Russia, then in Asia, Japan. So these are developed nations. Why? Because they are industrialized. Means most of the GDP come from industry. But India is still developing because our country is not fully industrialized. Still our backbone is agriculture, and more than half of our population depend on agriculture. So the economic strength of our country is not as good as the developed countries. Now we are going to manufacturing. You have understood what is manufacturing? The making of goods from the raw materials, and industries or machines are used so that a large amount of product should be made. Now economic strength of countries are measured by the development of the industries of that country. Means how much you are developed, it is measured by the industries of your country. Now we'll see what are the importance of manufacturing, why manufacturing or why industries are essential. So there are lots of things, various reasons for making the industries in any country. In our country, industries are very important. First thing is that most of the population, they are dependent on agriculture. Means the pressure on land, agricultural land is increasing. So if industries are developed, if industries are established, then what will happen? The industries will provide, first of all, modern tools, seeds which are HYV seeds, high yielding variety seeds, pipes for irrigation, pesticide, insecticides, and many more things. And what will this happen? This will modernize the agriculture. And if agriculture is modernized, means we are doing modern method of agriculture, then what will happen? We'll get more grains from compared to that agriculture which was traditional. So first thing is that manufacturing industries are important because they modernize our agriculture. Another thing is that the dependency of people, if industries are established, then what will happen? Dependency of people from agricultural land पे जो लोगों की बहुत ज़्यादा उन लोगों का उस पर प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है, वो क्या होगा कि इंडस्ट्रीज़ की तरफ शिफ्ट कर जाएगा. दैट मीन्स कि इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर भी लोग इंडस्ट्री में भी जा कर के काम करेंगे, सिर्फ एग्रीकल्चर पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहेंगे. और इससे क्या होगा, इसी से रिलेटेड थर्ड पॉइंट है कि द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल, अगर पैसा आने लगेगा इंडस्ट्री, एग्रीकल्चर से हर मंथ पैसा नहीं आता है, बट इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग इन इंडस्ट्री, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? यू विल गेट इनकम एंड दैट इज़ रेगुलर इनकम, मीन्स हर महीने आपको सैलरी मिलने लगेगी. तो इससे क्या होगा कि लोगों की जो ज़िंदगी है, आपके स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, it will improve, means it will enhance. Poverty will be reduced and unemployment also will be removed if manufacturing industries are established. Even the farmers' condition will also improve because if agro-based industries are there, then they will produce agricultural products which will be being used in that agro-based industries. Now then another point is that if we export our products, हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में जो चीज़ बनाते हैं और उसको हम अगर एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, मीन्स उसका दूसरे देश में भेजते हैं, तो हमारा इनकम बढ़ेगा, मीन्स कि विल गेट फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. And what will happen? Our country will become prosperous. Now our next topic will be dependence of agriculture over industry and dependence of industry over agriculture. Tomorrow I'll see that topic, and for today it is bye. Thank you.